Good afternoon, everyone. In between the rain showers, I finally got to this. I've been wanting to do this for a little bit. We got it put together. It's 6 feet wide or long by about 2.5 feet in depth. I'm using treated 2x6s, and I'm using 4x4 for the legs. It's going to go down about another 6 inches. We just got caught up in some more rain, so I just threw everything back up on top of it. But I want to pull this all off of the table and the chair and the other chair, and then I'm going to flip it over and add a little bit more support to it. Then I'm going to dig it out a little bit and drop it down about 6 inches, so that way it's flush but yet still level. And then that will give us a nice little deck for out here that's all protected. So that was my little excitement for a Monday after work ordeal. And we'll get it back together again here pretty soon. And then we'll put some sealer on it and have a nice little cedar deck out here to sit and enjoy that with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, depending on whatever suits us at the time. A lot of times the missus and I will get out here and we'll play gin on the table while we're enjoying the sunshine. Drink some tea during the summertime and play some gin rummy, watching the pond. Now that's life. Till later. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. It's now Wednesday. I had to take Tuesday off because it was raining, but I did get the platform started on Monday, and it is now finished, and I got some wood chips down to cover up the front. So here we are. A beautiful view of the finished deck and the seating. All finished off. And now I can sit back in my favorite spot here and have my coffee in the mornings on the weekends and enjoy, again, the pond. I still got to water seal the cedar planks. That's some fencing that we got. I braced all the boards underneath. And yeah, just need to seal it up. And we're good to go.